Well, hey there, this is John Hooks from John-Hooks.com, and welcome to my Loopz review. We're going to be talking a little bit about what Loopz is and what it can do for you. This product, at the time of my recording this review video, has already launched, still in its launch period, and so it is available for you to go and get at the launch price. I am not in the members area of it. I'm on my bonus page right now. And so let's talk a little bit about what I am going to give to you if you get Loopz through my link today. So to start off with, the creators on their actual sales page are saying that, hey, every time we hit refresh, we see $47 payments over and over again. And, you know, I'll explain what that means a little bit later. All right. So Loopz, you know, new in 2021 here, the world's first ever profit looping system. Every time we hit refresh, we see $47 payments over and over again. It's all possible by exploring a $5 billion loophole. So basically, free looping traffic in 49 seconds flat. We've banked over $100,000 in lazy profits using Loopz. 95% of the beta testers profited within 12 to 24 hours. 27 of those beta testers banked $19,983.25 with Loopz. There's no hard work. You just set it up once, get paid while you're sleeping. Your shortcut to instant success. Zero extra expenses. We're profiting with nothing but Loopz. 365-day money back guarantee. All right, and it's a no-brainer. Get paid $250 if you fail. Now, you know, that last bullet point there on the sales page. And when you pick up the product, it will give you the specific information on how to get $250 if you fail. Basically, you would have to show proof that you've used this, tried it, and it just did not work for you at all. And so let me go down to my bonuses and show you what you'll get if you happen to get Loopz through my bonus page here. And you can click on any of these red banners on my bonus page. Will take you over to the sales page where you will then click on the button to go ahead and attain it and go to your secure checkout. All right. And so in addition, there is a 12-minute review video here on my sales page. So if you're watching this on YouTube, just click on the link below this video that says get your copy of Loopz here, and click on that link. You'll come to the page that we're on now and click on any of these red banners here. All right, so to start off with, I am going to give you, if you get Loopz today through me, a few bonuses. The first one is called Mave, and basically you're going to discover how to tap into Google's 4.1 billion dollar traffic pool, excuse me. Bonus number 2, you're going to get affiliate takeover. You know, drive more leads and sales from on-demand traffic. Bonus number 3 is called Octagon, and with Octagon, you know, it's an automated, done-for-you ClickBank Warrior Plus affiliate review sites, generates $276 a day on autopilot. Bonus number 4 is called TweetX. TweetX, it's an app that makes $476 every day. All it took was just 1 to 2 minutes to set it up and activate it. And basically, this is, you know, as the name suggests, is using Twitter traffic to get your leads and make your money. And then bonus number 5 is basically all of the vendor bonuses that they are offering, you know, for you to pick up Loopz. Okay, now let's go talk about what it's going to cost. So Loopz is, you know, of course, that web-based software, you know, for the front end, $19. Works on all your devices, being it's cloud-based, so you can do it on your computer, your laptop, your phone, anywhere. You can get a connection. There are a few offers. the one-time offer number 1 is the unlimited version. With the front-end version, you just get a handful of uses, out of it, at one time. And, you can, delete and continue to add more and stuff like that. But without having to go through that hassle, for $47, unlimited, not have to worry about anything again. You can keep all of your previous creations. OTO number 3, automation for OTO number 2, done for you, will, for whatever pages that you want to create, $297, done for you. Number 3, automation, OTO number 4, unlimited traffic provided for you. OTO number 5, license right to the product, sell it and get 100%, you don't get, 50% or whatever the typical affiliate commissions are. And OTO number 6, the commission multiplier. And that's explained if you get Loopz. And once you get to that offer, it'll give you a complete description of what that's about. So basically, I haven't told you what this actually does. So what it does, and I wish I had my access to the product itself, but basically you can clone any sales page, and basically any internet-based page. But being this is in the internet marketing niche here, basically you can clone any page out there, and then you can change the banners, you can edit the wording, you can add elements, your own elements to the page, but you don't have to go through the expense, which can be very expensive to create sales pages, or the time that it would take you if you create your own. So basically you just clone someone else's page, make it your own. And like on like my sales page here, on my bonus page, if they have banners that ask you to go ahead and click to purchase the product, you can edit those banners, with the words that's on there and also the links that they go to. So they go to your link as opposed to the link that was originally on, those buttons or banners. And as you can see at the on this demo video here, you can see that you can add, a lot of elements, whether it's text or buttons or banners. You can add countdown timers. You can add scarcity, and the scarcity bar, is like, okay, there are only 10 more left. So go ahead and grab yours before the sale is all done. Basically, and a few other things. So pretty simple. Go ahead and click on my bonus page link and come in and take a look at this walkthrough, and it'll show you exactly a lot clearer than myself. That is pretty much it. So listen, if this is something that is of interest to you, go ahead and pick it up, and don't wait too long, because I believe that after a certain amount of time, the price goes up at the very minimum, on a dime sale type thing, so it increases with every sale. And this is already sold. This is, I believe, launched yesterday my time, and it's already sold over 1,000 copies so far. So it's been very, very popular. When you click on any of my links, it will take you over to the actual sales page of the vendor, which looks like this. It has a lot of information, and this $47 over and over again. Basically, the product itself, the software itself doesn't give you the $47. And basically what they mean by that, my interpretation is that by you, cloning somebody else's sales page and start siphoning, off, those leads, you start, making, money that you wouldn't be making before. And so that's what that's all about. And so on this page, you click on any of these banners to say click here now for instant access. it will take you over to your secure checkout through Warrior Plus. And on the Warrior Plus page, you will have a page that looks similar to this. You'll have the green access your purchase button, where you will go ahead and pick up Loopz, and then you'll have the access affiliate bonuses, which is the bonuses that I offered you, to purchase through my link there. That's it for me. Hey, listen, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also, as always, thank you for your time and watching my Loopz review. To your success.